Is your Kia Sportage refusing to start? Let us walk through the most common culprits to get you back on the road. Statistically, 70% of no-start issues stem from a simple battery failure or a loose terminal connection. Before you call a tow truck, follow this systematic approach to isolate the problem. Start with safety by engaging the parking brake and observing your dashboard lights for any signs of electrical life. Check your battery terminals for white, powdery corrosion that prevents a solid electrical connection. If the battery is healthy, consider the starter motor or the brake pedal switch, which must engage to trigger the start. Cleaning terminals is a simple DIY task, but internal starter or computer issues are best left to a professional. Repair costs vary wildly, with battery replacements being the most affordable starting point for your budget. Advanced testing involves using a multimeter to measure voltage drops during the ignition cycle. Keep a basic socket set, wire brush, and a multimeter in your trunk to handle most roadside electrical issues. Remember, never force a stubborn engine to crank repeatedly, as this risks overheating your wiring or destroying the starter. If these steps did not resolve your issue, it is time to call a professional technician for a deeper inspection.